Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to fix Face ID not working. So to do this, I have here some tips for you to do. Okay, so for step number one, check your Face ID settings. So to do this, you have to open your settings app, scroll down and tap the Face ID and passcode. If you see the reset ID option, Face ID is already set up on this device. Otherwise, choose to set up Face ID and follow the instructions. With Face ID setup, turn on iPhone unblock items in App Store, Wallet, and Apple Pay, password autofill, and other apps underneath the Face ID 4. Next, allow Face ID in third-party apps. Okay, so here's how you can do it. You need to open the settings app, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. At the bottom of the use Face ID for section touch other apps. Ensure the switch for the concerned app like WhatsApp is set to on. Okay, like this, as you can see in the images. Next is to clean the true depth camera sensor. Over time, the true depth camera lens could become dirty or greasy, so use a soft dry cloth to wipe the sensor array at the top so nothing obscure. Okay, this one of the important things that you should do to clean the true depth camera sensor. So for step number 4, avoid blocking your face. For Face ID to perform smoothly, the true depth camera needs a clear view of your eyes, nose, and mouth. Also, you might need to hold your iPhone higher if you're wearing a face mask. Okay, that's one of the Apple notes. Next, try using Face ID without sunglasses. Face ID uses infrared light invisible to the human eye. Apple designed the feature to work with hats, scarf, glasses, contact lenses, and many sunglasses. Unfortunately, most polarized sunglasses and lenses interfere with infrared light, so you should try using Face ID without sunglasses. And for our last tip is to hold your iPhone correctly. Next, hold your iPhone correctly. To use Face ID properly, hold your iPhone or iPad at a comfortable distance, not too far away or too close to your face. Face ID works best at arm's length or closer. If you cover obscure the face ID sensors with something like your finger, you'll see a camera covered message with an arrow pointing at the true depth camera. So that's some of the tips that you can do if your Face ID is not working. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.